How to fix your CIBC bank card declined problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your CIBC bank card if it says declined. So sometimes when you're trying to make a purchase or tap your card on a certain POS, it'll say declined, and most of the cases it'll also show you the reason. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons as to why your card may be declined and a solution for them. So the first and foremost common reason may be insufficient funds. Now let's say you just have $100 on your account and you're trying to make a purchase of, let's say, $150. In that case, your card will straight up say declined as you do not have the sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Now the second most common reason may be your credit or daily limit has been reached. Now let's say you just have a daily limit of $1,000 and you've already used up all of your limit. Now even if you try to make a purchase of, let's say, $10, your card will say declined as you have already exceeded the daily limit. Now there are two ways on how you can fix this problem. So the first one is basically applying to increase your limit, and the second one is basically waiting for the next day when your limit resets to zero. Now the third thing may be you have a security hold on your account, so simply talk to the bank if you do have something like that. They will be able to resolve your problem. Now another reason why your card may be declined is that your card has been expired or that your card is locked. So make sure your card is unlocked and it has not yet expired, and also make sure you're entering the correct card details and the correct PIN so that your card will not get declined. So those were the things on how you can fix your bank card decline. Now if you're still getting declined, simply talk to the bank on this number right over here and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.